Ebushama akwaba eba too much it mesoni de mu ase subscribe my page no mi adoma so e de aboa me se na me apple bian so na onsa ebetumi akam de ne sik ebusuya ewia kete 20th of July amanya bo me nsa kanu eya wo sem yi pa na a breaking news but you know didn't really go well for the MPP party. He said Chairman Wuntumi Awoye, the CEO of Akunta Mines, and also no Ashanti Regional Chairman for the MPP, and the court has sentenced him to 20 years imprisonment, and was also slapped with a fine of 10,000 penalty unit, and equivalent to 120,000 Ghana cedis. And after for count 6, he is to pay a fine of 150,000 penalty unit, and also equivalent to 180,000 Ghana cedis. Now, Ebusunya way ya raho semi pa abeto MPP Ebusunya ko because Ebusunya mo nim say omaba opposition 2 years ni ntafe na omba bomo hanu say ombesa ko pre power na yehwe chema Wuntumi so boden bo a obo campaign ahodo a oye ni up and down sa okona na eya raho yie pa say asem si abeto no Ebusunya no no akasa ya we say bibi say eda ho no mo etwen ne badom ni say enam ko pie mu court no na eniam eni adane ena ma na ko wie si be kai say sa court issue enye nne and start here make I say somewhere around May 27th 2025 and Yokufo ARS no that was when Achema Wuntumi issue no a dirty serious so send mu ye dangerous say early this year a leader of the legal team a lawyer Apia Kubi etwe ne ho say the way a court share no esifa kono on it no enya again because who say there's a foul play somewhere etema lawyer Apia Kubi etwe ne ho ema other lawyers so able take over ene ahana onyamede Chairman Wuntumi abedu mama yakoji details of near course of court ankasa ende na afi so near Apia Kubi so ebe kai ansan ende judgment eba
Go back.
But because me young people ni
okay.
Why am a bush and me young people ni I am a chairman. Etime mo se si achi Wuntumi. Etu ama mu boss si achi Wuntumi no. Me so ama no atete apansam. Enti ya pay ye dia o.
Assignment is by way of a written instrument, and if there was none throughout the trial, and that a person could be convicted and sentenced on, it's really a worrying trend. And what can we do except to consult our clients and fashion out the way forward, and we'll certainly come out.
But the charges were brought under the Mining Act, right?
Yes, certainly it was brought under the Mining Act, but the in terms of assignment, the specific legislation of land transactions is the Land Act of 2020. Yes, Act 1036 regulates the conduct of land transactions. So if you want to really understand what assignment means as far as land transactions are concerned, then you have to go to the Land Act. And clearly the Land Act also of assignment to be a written instrument, but we did not see it. And instead, clearly, once he has been convicted on assignment without mineral rights authorization, it's clearly mind-boggling, and I am not comfortable with the set.
You describe this as mind-boggling.
Yeah, it's mind-boggling.
To you, it is unfair. But let's talk about the processes of the trial itself. Would you say due process was followed?
I will reserve some for now.
Would you say the judge was fair and firm and just throughout the proceeding?
I wouldn't want to, with the circumstance I find myself now, I didn't want to comment on some of the matters, but I believe that as a legal team of with his tax endorsement to speak on some of the matters that has gone on throughout the trial.
And that response points directly or hints directly. Is that what I'm sensing?
Oh, certainly. Once you are aggrieved or dissatisfied by the outcome of the decision of the courts, the onus lie on you to file an appeal at the appellate court. Now, from the High Court, you can only go to the Court of Appeal. And from the Court of Appeal, if you are still dissatisfied, the rules of courts and the laws of the republic allows you to go up to the Supreme Court. So we will consult with our clients and take their proceedings and go through.
Obi, and come a picture say, Ubeba court to know about proceedings in a
Sure.
In those cases, I can share with you the record of proceedings in the cases. But Crofobiti Abonti, can some very to more, but can we honestly convict on the records? Now, I know the NTV calling him.
Fortunately, the record is what is before the judge.
Yes.
And the judge will not be minded.
I always cry that I pray that the court is a court.
Yeah.
That is my prayer. The only prayer that I do, they say, let us see a court making a pronouncement based on evidence.
Yeah. The evidence before the court. And not what is
outside the court. And not at the whims of somebody who is outside the court. Now you are here. Where you miss my
for Samra boy the end of the year, we are all waiting for July 3rd. Our court decision never. Yes.
I have filed a motion.
What file a motion?
I filed a motion
to arrest the judgment?
Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power.
Okay.
I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case. I have cited my reasons.
Who is withdrawing from that case?
Myself as
a lawyer.
As lawyer.
Who withdraw from?
I'm withdrawing my legal services.
Case.
In the case.
Yes. We are judge. Then
yes. At any point.
I know.
I have a right.
What reason here then?
My reasons are in the affidavit, and we will take that motion on Monday, so I will not discuss it. But I have cried in the affidavit that as a lawyer, what I feel doing a case like that. Now, I know the prayer, and if cry, then for all of us as persons in the legal fraternity, now what do you feel?
No, withdraw CCR because of what you think would happen on July 3rd.
No, not what you think will happen. Anything, because I pray that the court should be a court. Now, your decision, then I will come and I'll comment on the decision. But before then, I'll sound this warning. Someone may have any penny because you have any penny more. It stays with us. And it will also be, we will be confronted with it in course of our time.
FM.
And you'll be, for injustice to anybody is injustice to you.
To everyone, I agree. But lawyer, why would you do a case? You go through all the initial stages and go through trial. Judge, I'm at data or then a judgment. Now I withdraw. I file application to withdraw.
My lawyer, I check Accra.
Yes.
My share proceedings are
okay.
And it said me who sent to be a free bontia. I smell it. And if you some cases near my days of proceedings. Was it name me how was it notwithstanding?
I was over.
Or chap at day.
Okay.
And no one case here in Ghana.
That's a summer boy case. They say somebody was shepherding the case. Giddy.
Just a giddy. I say we need who make me. So what's that trial? And then me another case was a cry. We case no 2 o'clock court.
Really?
I'm telling you.
That's what the judge was
doing. We are going to talk about this now. Bar association. I'm going to petition the bar association also. Say bar association, can we sit and let this go on in Ghana within our jurisprudence? And do we want to turn our courts into persons, institutions?
Yeah, but the bar association may not have jurisdiction over the judge.
No. But indeed, bar association can speak about it.
Okay,
me and make say I'm speaking my mind. And I want whoever wants evidence to confront me, and I'll show him the evidence.
But if that was the conduct of the judge, I don't want petition Chief Justice, Mom.
Well, one option.
Okay.
The other option is that I'm withdrawing and stating the reasons why I'm withdrawing.
Why you are withdrawing?
I'm going before the same judge to state my reasons of resigning before her.
From the case. Before judge.
Yes.
Even before the judgment,
yes.
Who withdraw from the case.
State me reasons of withdrawing before her.
And your client is aware person will withdraw.
Yes, but my country.
And none reaction here.
And I'm Obi. Me one person. You be born in a miti one, maybe I don't like it. See, I will be bonny. Namitiho.
In this case, why any anybody?
I need to
fine. Okay.
Generally.
Okay.
Obi Misuso, and I'm silent. We are Bonia. We are Jeme Obi. Seminya Unya Obi and Minya Kwai. Because I think that is a way to also teach you to learn. And to be careful because it will be before you. But I'm withdrawing. I'm going to state my reasons for withdrawing.
In court?
Yes, in court. Monday,
Monday I will be there. Monday.
No,
Monday I will be there.
Yes.
But on the plea bargain request, how they come age, you know, and no dear, you would be on.
Yes, we will.
You do that.
We'll be on. Yes.
And they won't withdraw.
Indeed, there's another case. Cry war. Someone bueno. Criminal court.
Yeah, criminal court.
I'm still in it.
And your womb still.
I'm still in it.
And with exam ban.
Okay. Cross examination.
No, I'll come.
You see, na
no,
but
Monday,
one thing though,
yes.
Chief Justice, and most of these cases, you telecast it.
Political, very political cases.
No, you mean political, high profile cases.
High profile, okay.
Can you telecast it? You should